Good morning, students. Today, let us see the second unit book exercise. Singular and plural. Now, we are going to see how to form plural from singular nouns. Some nouns become plural when we change the vowels. Man, men, foot, feet, tooth, teeth, goose, geese. Is here the vowels A and O changes into E. US changes into I. Cactus, cacti. Fungus, fungi. Syllabus, syllabi. Here US changes into I. IS changes into ES. Hypothesis, hypothesis. Oasis, oasis. Crisis, crisis. Here IS changes into ES. Changes into A. Bacterium, bacteria. Medium, media. Curriculum, curricula. Here changes into A. Add S to the first word in hyphenated word. Passerby, passers by. Sister-in-law, sisters-in-law. Brother-in-law, brothers-in-law. Runner-up, runners-up. You have to add S to the first word in hyphenated word. Some nouns have same form for singular and plural. For example, deer, deer, fish, fish, hair, hair, furniture, furniture, luggage, luggage. Here you are asked to write the plural form of the given words. Food. The noun food have same form for singular and plural. So the answer is food. Radius, US changes into I. Governor General. We have to add S to the first word in hyphenated word. So the answer is Governors General. Syllabus, US changes into I. Datum, changes into A. Commander-in-chief, commanders-in-chief. Thesis, IS changes into ES. Forum, fora, changes into A. Cattle, is this noun, cattle have same form for singular and plural. So the answer is cattle. Genius, US changes into I, genii. Yes, food, food. Radius, radii. Governor General, governors general. Syllabus, syllabi. Datum, data. Commander-in-chief, commanders-in-chief. Thesis, thesis. Forum, fora. Cattle, cattle. Genius, genii. Yes, dear students, for your reference, I underlined the changes. So, using pencil, underline it. Compound words. Compound words are formed when two or more words are put together to form a new word with a new meaning. Is here compound words using noun plus noun. Headmaster, headmaster. Keyboard, keyboard. Cell phone, cell phone. Schoolboy, schoolboy. Eyesight, eyesight. Homework, homework. Moonlight, moonlight. Notebook, notebook. Yes, these are the compound words using noun plus noun. Is here compound words using gerund plus noun. Gerund is verb plus ing. Dining hall, dining hall. Washing machine, washing machine. Waiting hall, waiting hall. Driving school, driving school. Walking stick, walking stick. Drawing room, drawing room. Calling bell, calling bell. Baking soda, baking soda. Yes, these are the compound words using gerund and noun. Compound words using noun plus verb. Snowfall, snowfall. Car park, car park. Bookmark, bookmark. Sunset, sunset. Catwalk, catwalk. Rainfall, rainfall. Haircut, haircut. Toothache, toothache. Yes, these are the compound words using noun and verb. Match the following compound words and write them. Yes, first words and second words are given and you are asked to form compound word, that is a new word with a new meaning. Match box, match box. Airport, airport. Blood bank, blood bank. Popcorn, popcorn. Sky blue, sky blue. Hair cut, haircut. Bookmark, bookmark. Sewing machine, sewing machine. Choose the best answer to make a compound word which can be placed after soft. The answer is where. Soft where. Which can be placed before light. Sun. Sunlight. Which can be placed after safe. God. Safe God. Which can be placed after blue. Print. Blue print. Which can be placed after water. Fall. Water fall. Software, sunlight, safeguard, blueprint, waterfall. Adjective. An adjective is a word that describes or modifies a noun. Kinds of adjectives are adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, demonstrative adjectives and interrogative adjectives. Adjectives of quality. It shows the kind or quality of a person or thing. And it answers the question of what kind. Example, Kolkata is a large city. He is an honest man. The foolish old crow tried to sing. This is the grammar of the English language. Yes, these are adjectives of quality. Adjectives of quantity. It describes the quantity of something. It answers the question how much. For example, I ate some rice. He showed much patience. He has little intelligence. We have had enough exercise. He has lost all his wealth. You have no sense. He did not eat any rice. Take great care of your health. He claimed his half share of the booty. There has not been sufficient rain this year. The whole sum was expended. So, these are adjectives of quantity. Adjectives of number. It show how many persons or things are meant, or in what order a person or thing stands. For example, each hand has 5 fingers. Few cats like cold water. There are no pictures in this book. I have taught you many things. All men must die. Here are some ripe mangoes. Most boys like cricket. There are several mistakes in your exercise. Sunday is the first day of the week. Yes, these are the adjectives of number. Demonstrative adjectives. It points to which noun or pronoun you are speaking about. These 4 words will help you to spot demonstrative adjectives. They are this, that, these, those. For example, this lady is stronger than Maha. That boy is industrious. These books are good. Those girls must be encouraged. Interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives pose a question. They need a noun or pronoun by their side. Example, what manner of man is he? Which way shall we go? Whose book is this? Degrees of comparison. There are 3 ways to compare, that is positive, comparative and superlative. These are known as degrees of comparison. We have to add ER with the adjective to make it comparative and EST to make it superlative. Yes. Fast, faster, fastest. Yes, positive, comparative, superlative. Tall, taller, tallest. Small, smaller, smallest. Strong, stronger, strongest. Rich, richer, richest. Poor, poorer, poorest. Weak, weaker, weakest. For most one-syllable adjectives, we can make the comparative form by adding ER and EST for superlative form. For example, tall, taller, tallest. Long, longer, longest. Fast, faster, fastest. Yes, these are one-syllable adjectives. If the adjective already ends in E, you just add or. For example, large. This adjective ends in E. So, for comparative, you are just going to add the letter R. Large, larger. For superlative, we have to add EST. Largest. Wide, wider, widest. For some adjectives, you need to double the last letter before you add ER. For example, big, bigger. Here the last letter is doubled. Big, bigger. For superlative, add EST. Big, bigger, biggest. Hot, hotter, hottest. For adjectives ending in Y, you make the comparative form by changing the Y to an I. Then adding ER. Example, happy. Yes, we have to change Y to an I. And after that, we have to add ER. Happy, happier, happiest. Pretty, prettier, prettiest. Yes, for most words with two or more syllables, we have to make the comparative form by adding the word more. And by adding most, we have to form the superlative form. Yes, for most words with two or more syllables, make the comparative form by adding the word more before the adjective. And for superlative form, you have to add the word most before the adjective. For example, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful, important, more important, most important. Here we added more for the comparative and most for superlative form. Some exceptional case is given here. Good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Little, less, least. For, farther or further. Farthest or furthest. Late, later, latest. Much or many, more, most. Fill in the blanks. Positive, comparative, superlative. Tall, taller, tallest. Smart, smarter, smartest. Large, larger, largest. Big, bigger, biggest. Late, later, latest. Let us compare two things. Which is faster, a train or a plane? A plane is faster than a train. Which is cheaper, gold or silver? Silver is cheaper than gold. Which is larger, city or village? A city is larger than a village. Which is bigger, a sea or an ocean? An ocean is bigger than a sea. Which is taller, a giraffe or a camel? A giraffe is taller than a camel. Yes, these are the norms to compare two things. Yes, we have to compare the given things. For example, we know that a plane is faster than a train. So, the answer is a plane is faster than a train. Silver is cheaper than gold. A city is larger than a village. An ocean is bigger than a sea. A giraffe is taller than a camel. Yes, let us compare three things. An example is given for you. A donkey, a horse and elephant. Adjective is strong. A donkey is strong. This is positive. A horse is stronger than a donkey. It is comparative. An elephant is the strongest. It is superlative. His answers for the book exercise. Town, city, village. The adjective is quiet. A city is a quiet place. A town is quieter than a city. A village is the quietest place. Yes, I wrote the answer in the form of positive, comparative and superlative. And remember that before the superlative form, that is est form, you should add the article the should be added before the superlative form. A second one, Istanbul, Moscow, London. The adjective is populated. London is a populated city. It is positive degree. Moscow is more populated than London. It is comparative. Istanbul is the most populated city. It is superlative form. A third one, windy weather, warm weather, rainy weather. The adjective is good. Rainy weather is good for us. Windy weather is better than rainy weather. Warm weather is the best for us. Fourth one, ocean, river, lake. The adjective is deep. A river is deep. A lake is deeper than a river. An ocean is the deepest. Yes, fifth one, the USA, Russia, Spain. Adjective is large. Spain is a large country. The USA is larger than Spain. Russia is the largest country. A sixth one, the Mahanadi, the Kaveri, the Ganga. Adjective is long. The Kaveri is a long river. Positive. The Mahanadi is longer than the Kaveri. Comparative. The Ganga is the longest river. It is superlative. Chennai, Hyderabad, Bangalore. The adjective given is modern. Chennai is a modern city. Hyderabad is more modern than Chennai. Bangalore is the most modern city. Eighth one, giraffe, horse, goat. Adjective is tall. A goat is a tall animal. A horse is taller than a goat. A giraffe is the tallest animal. Positive, comparative and superlative. Ninth one, elephant, cat, dog. Adjective is strong. A cat is a strong animal. A dog is stronger than a cat. An elephant is the strongest animal. Positive, comparative and superlative. Then the last one, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan. The adjective is hot. Tamil Nadu is a hot state. Maharashtra is hotter than Tamil Nadu. Rajasthan is the hottest state. Positive, comparative, superlative. Don't forget to add the article the before the superlative form. I hope you understood the book exercise. Thank you students. Let us continue in our next class.